Hello people, welcome to Star Homestead India. This is a garden update, and this is a tree that is actually like a weed that is killing my rest of the produce. Well, as you can see, the last time I have showed you what I have planted here was a beefsteak tomato. Out of 4, 1 only sprouted, and I have cantaloupe uh, cantaloupe watermelon there, as you can see, and I have 1 Turkish pepper there, and 2 more watermelons. So I have built this trellis. I know it's not fine, and it's not that strong as you look at, but I have used some of the old PVC pipes and some sticks, some bamboo and not bamboo sticks, some eucalyptus sticks, and also a kind of made trellis. So I'm trying to get that plant to go up there so it can produce watermelons on the top of this structure. But every time I try to put it up and tight, it kind of like goes away, and I don't know what's happening with that. So I have to come up with a better idea. And I did have planted sweet sop, also known as custard apple, here, which is not doing that good. And I have an old shelf that I converted into one more structure that I can use as a trellis. I haven't planted anything yet. I need to close the openings with the mesh like this, because we have rat problem, we have rat infestation. So in order to protect that, I have to do that. So I can plant something in there or put some containers in it, and probably grow some cucumber and stuff. And that is a hybrid guava. It's not your typical guava. It says that it's a hybrid from Thailand and will produce a lot of fruits. The leaves look like plastic. Feels like plastic, but yeah, they are not. I did sow some snapdragon flowers here, but I can see all kind of plants except for that. I don't know what's the issue with that. In there I have planted yellow wax bean. Out of 4, only 1 we had sprout, and I'm using this UV shade for the corn that I have planted. I have planted 24 or 26 corns, and they got tassels already. And I was asking the other one of my friend the other day, like, why do I see flowers already, because they're only up to 2 feet or less than that. They said it's probably because of the stress. Yes, it is actually. We supposed to be getting rains. It's supposed to be monsoon, but as you can see, it's dried up. I'm watering twice a day right now, and summer is gone long, but this is still August 20th, and it's hot out there. So I did order some containers from Amazon. These containers are made from special plastic. They say that they're good for outdoor use, like you can put them in summer or rain and all, so they won't have the color fade away. I did plant some Russian kale in that, and some orange cherry tomatoes here, and some chamomile. I did receive chamomile tea sachets, 2 sachets from Vikashaya last time we drank both of them. So I thought of, okay, he also sent me the seeds, so why don't I try growing them. But I'm not sure in this weather they're going to grow or not. If they don't sprout within the number of days I have said they will do it, I'm going to replant them. So these are the containers that have spinach and kale. These 4 containers have spinach. I think that's kale or might be spinach. I lost the count because I did not plant them the same day, because I had to forage for the manure outside, and I had to mix with rabbit pellets, and my rabbits, they don't make as many pellets as I need. So I gotta wait until they actually do it. So I have also planted corn here, thinking that I could transplant them, but they're not doing good. And these are orange grande tomato sent by Garden State Gardener long time ago. I decided to plant them once the climate is right. Well, it still gets up to 37 degrees during the day and around 27 in the night, so 10 degrees of difference we have day and night. And the seeds that the sprouts that you're seeing are the Russian giant sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are good, and everybody was asking me and telling me to plant some, and I did order some from Amazon. So I did plant in this way, like 9 of them. But what I thought was I planted here and I forgot. So when I transplanted my tomatoes, I lost some of those sprouts. But so these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 what do you say, sunflower spots I have. CR, Creative Redundancy, was talking about how sunflowers that you can use as a microgreen so you can consume them. So I said, okay, why don't I give it a try. So CR, there you go, I have planted in that raised garden bed. Oh, let me show you something. So remember the spikes, the plastic spikes that I have put around my raised garden bed to avoid critters going inside. But my chickens found a way that they can actually go inside without touching them. So they just fly and jump inside and eat whatever they want. So I had to take one of my mesh apart, and it's like almost 2 feet in length. I've attached these meshes around and tied it up with coconut thread and put some UV shade net there. So these are summer squash yellow. I planted in the other area as well in the containers, and we had some male flowers, and we had few few produce, but they couldn't make it. I don't know what happened, probably because a lot of heat and all. So a lot of them just went mush. Here's another sweet sop. Yeah, sweet sop is the reason that I like sweet sop or custard apple is one single tree can produce like 30 to 40 custard apples if it's really good in one season, just like your peaches in the States or Canada. So yeah, little space, more fruits. That's how you can actually that's how you get a lot of produce there. So this is a jasmine tree that I was talking about. It is so aromatic. The fragrance is so strong here, and I have planted another sweet sop here just few days ago, but couldn't make it. I have a mulberry there. I'll show you when. I cannot remove this covering because my chickens can trample on it. It's just like 1 feet or 1.5 feet. There is one black pepper plant there. I'll show you when it sprouts. So I had this. I have this old dining table, a plastic one, which we used to use back when I was like really young. So I was using this as kind of a perching for my chickens to lay eggs. I used to use baskets, bamboo basket, so I can actually go inside and lay eggs. So right now I have I bought a cage and put the cage near a wall, like kind of with a space, like 2 feet space apart. So now they actually go inside and lay eggs and come. I don't have to pick them up every single time. So I'm using this as my container stand. I can put them down just like how I did there, but that is more secure than here. Here you can see a lot of holes. You can see the burrowing here. So these are done by rats, so they can actually go inside and destroy my produce and my plants. So I have sunflowers here along with some other tomatoes here and peppers here, and I also have planted papaya seeds here. It will take like 7 to 10 days. I have planted on the 18th, so still some more time to go. Now get this. This is the most awesomest part. So this tree is a mango tree. It's not your typical mango trees that you see in India. especially at my place. This is like a Thailand variety, a hybrid one. Get this, in the description he said, the Amazon says that it will start bearing fruits in 1 year. So I planted this on August 20th. No, not 20th. Today is 20th. 18th. Just on one of the day that one of my students flew to US to study. Same day I got this plant. And it came in a good condition though. I can see the graft that they have made. It's way below, as you can, let me point it out here. Can you see that? It's a grafted. So grafted plants are really good because you'll get the good foods and good produce. You can expect good produce there. And we'll see. In 1 year, it's gonna produce a lot of fruits. Usually mango plants take 4 years, but he said 1 year. Let's see how does it work. This is guava, not the hybrid one. This is the normal guava, but can actually have a red flesh inside. And we tasted that last time. Not as sweet as I thought, but it's gonna be sweet hopefully this year. All right, this is my garden, and I'll show you coconut trees that I got the other day. They are hybrid as well. I'll show you in the next video. You all guys take care and give a thumbs up. Bye bye.